Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Who wrote the Russian novel, Crime and Punishment? A. Leo Tolstoy, B. Fyodor Dostoevsky, C. Anton Chekhov, D. Maxim Gorky. The right answer is option B. Fyodor Dostoevsky wrote Crime and Punishment, a psychological novel. It explores guilt, morality, and redemption. Next question. The novel, War and Peace, was written by A. Leo Tolstoy, B. Fyodor Dostoevsky, C. Ivan Turgenev, D. Nikolai Gogol. The right answer is option A. Leo Tolstoy wrote War and Peace, a historical epic. It presents Russian society during the Napoleonic Wars. Next question. Who wrote 100 Years of Solitude? A. Mario Vargas Llosa, B. Pablo Neruda, C. Gabriel Garcia Marquez, D. George Luis Borges. The right answer is option C. Gabriel Garcia Marquez wrote this novel. It is a masterpiece of magical realism. Next question. The term magical realism is mainly associated with A. Latin American literature, B. African literature, C. British modernism, D. American realism. The right answer is option A. Magical realism blends realistic narrative with supernatural elements. It became popular through Latin American writers. Next question. Who wrote the play, Mother Courage and Her Children? A. Henrik Ibsen, B. Bertolt Brecht, C. Anton Chekhov, D. August Strindberg. The right answer is option B. Bertolt Brecht wrote this play as part of epic theatre. It criticizes war and capitalism. Next question. Who is the author of The Stranger? A. Jean-Paul Sartre, B. Albert Camus, C. Franz Kafka, D. Simone de Beauvoir. The right answer is option B. Albert Camus wrote The Stranger. The novel expresses the philosophy of absurdism. Next question. Who wrote The Metamorphosis? A. Franz Kafka, B. Thomas Mann, C. Albert Camus, D. Jean-Paul Sartre. The right answer is option A. Franz Kafka wrote The Metamorphosis. It portrays alienation and modern anxiety. Next question. Who is regarded as the father of modern drama? A. Henrik Ibsen, B. Anton Chekhov, C. George Bernard Shaw, D. Eugene O'Neill. The right answer is option A. Henrik Ibsen is called the father of modern drama. His plays introduced realism and social criticism. Next question. The novel, Things Fall Apart, is written by A. Ngugi wa Thiong'o, B. Wole Soyinka, C. Chinua Achebe, D. Nadine Gordimer. The right answer is option C. Chinua Achebe wrote Things Fall Apart. It depicts the impact of colonialism on African society. Next question. Who wrote Waiting for Godot? A. Harold Pinter, B. Samuel Beckett, C. Tom Stoppard, D. Jean Genet. The right answer is option B. Samuel Beckett wrote Waiting for Godot. It is a central text of the theatre of the absurd. Next question. Who wrote the existentialist novel, Nausea? A. Albert Camus, B. Jean-Paul Sartre, C. Franz Kafka, D. Simone de Beauvoir. The right answer is option B. Jean-Paul Sartre wrote Nausea. The novel expresses existential philosophy. Next question. Who wrote the poem collection, Geetanjali? A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. A. K. Ramanujan, D. Nissim Ezekiel. The right answer is option A. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Geetanjali. It won him the Nobel Prize in Literature. Next question. The novel, Season of Migration to the North, is written by A. Chinua Achebe, B. Tayeb Saleh, C. Ngugi wa Thiong'o, D. Ben Okri. The right answer is option B. Tayeb Saleh wrote this post-colonial novel. It explores identity and cultural conflict. Next question. Who wrote The Trial? A. Franz Kafka, B. Thomas Mann, C. Albert Camus, D. Fyodor Dostoevsky. The right answer is option A. Kafka's The Trial depicts a man trapped in a mysterious legal system. It symbolizes bureaucratic oppression. Next question. Who wrote The Interpretation of Cultures? A. Edward Said, B. Clifford Geertz, C. Stuart Hall, D. Homi Bhabha. The right answer is option B. Clifford Geertz developed the concept of culture as a system of meanings. His work influenced cultural studies. Next question. The novel, Midnight Children, is associated with A. Magical realism in India, B. Victorian realism, C. American modernism, D. French symbolism. The right answer is option A. Salman Rushdie used magical realism to narrate Indian history. The novel connects personal and national events. Next question. Who wrote the play, No Exit? A. Jean-Paul Sartre, B. Albert Camus, C. Samuel Beckett, D. Eugene Ionesco. The right answer is option A. Sartre's play, No Exit, presents existentialist ideas. It is famous for the line Hell is other people. Next question. Who wrote The Tin Drum? A. Thomas Mann, B. Gunter Grass, C. Bertolt Brecht, D. Heinrich Boll. The right answer is option B. Gunter Grass wrote The Tin Drum. It is a major postmodern German novel. Next question. Who is the author of Disgrace? A. J. M. Coetzee, B. Nadine Gordimer, C. Chinua Achebe, D. Ben Okri. The right answer is option A. J. M. Coetzee wrote Disgrace. The novel deals with post-apartheid South Africa. Next question. Who wrote Nectar in a Sieve? A. Anita Desai, B. Kamla Markande, C. Arundhati Roy, D. Shashi Deshpande. The right answer is option B. Kamla Markande wrote Nectar in a Sieve. It depicts rural poverty in India. Question for you. Who wrote the novel Purple Hibiscus? A. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, B. Nadine Gordimer, C. Amahata Edu, D. Doris Lessing. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.